Are you going to serve me or not? Eat my shit and die, otherwise I'll make you fry. How's that for serving you? I've got something for you to eat. These nuts. Oh, well then, how family friendly. I'm dancing on your grave. Now get the fuck out of here. Son of a bitch. Here, take my shit. It's on the house. Smoke. Just leave me alone. I'm good as dead. You'll be dead for real if you don't eat my shit. Nah, I don't know. Are you ready, kids? We are. I can't hear you. Then open up your fucking